Hello friends, this is Harish Panchal and welcome to my ESL classes, and today we are going to discuss about the next part of our grammar. So without wasting time, let's get started. And if I talk about the grammar topic that we discussed in our previous class, so we started the use of good, act, okay, and bad, act. So the mode of this class would be same Hindi and English, so that you can understand it in a better way and you can make your notes according to your understanding. So let's divide the board. Okay, so I have got two markers, but they both are not working. I will have to manage it. So last time we did it in present. We did it in present, and in present we use is, am, and are. For example, she is good at speaking English. Okay, so she is good at speaking English. वह इंग्लिश बोलने में अच्छी है. लास्ट क्लास में हमने इसको प्रेजेंट में किया था यूज ऑफ इज एम आर करके, लाइक आई एम गुड एट टीचिंग. आई एम गुड एट टीचिंग, मैं पढ़ाने में अच्छा हूं. एंड यू आर गुड एट प्लेइंग चेस. यू आर गुड एट प्लेइंग चेस. तो इस तरीके के सेंटेंस मैंने लास्ट क्लास में के लिए बनाए थे. तो यहाँ पर हमने इज एम आर को यूज किया है विद गुड एट, एंड वी विल हैव टू यूज द प्रेजेंट पार्टिसिपल ऑफ द मेन वर्ब. सो अब अगर हम इन सभी सेंटेंसेस को पास्ट में लेके जाते हैं, सो हाउ विल वी मेक सेंटेंसेस? इन पास्ट वी यूज was and were. In past we use was and were to make our sentences. जैसे मैंने यहाँ पे ये सेंटेंस लिखा है, she is good at speaking English. So this sentence belongs to present time, and now if we have to take this sentence into past time, how would we make she is good at speaking English? So the sentence would be she was good at speaking English, French, Urdu. You can use any language, whatever you want to use. So now the sentence belongs to the past. She was good at speaking English. वह इंग्लिश बोलने में अच्छी थी. ठीक है, ओके. बहुत देर से ना ये चिड़िया मुझे परेशान कर रही है. Now this is the sentence. So you are good at playing chess. हम good at को change करके bad at से sentence बना लेते हैं. So you were bad at playing chess. You were bad at playing chess. आप चेस खेलने में बुरे थे. अब ये जो सेंटेंस है वो हमने पास्ट में बनाया है. So whenever we will make a sentence in past, so we will have to use was and were in the sentence. We use good at and bad at, and first form plus ing. This is very simple structure. ठीक है, तो एक बार इसके स्ट्रक्चर को हम यहाँ पर बनाकर देख लेते हैं. ठीक है, या फिर मैं इसको आपको यहाँ पर ही बना के दिखा देता हूँ. अगर हम यहाँ पर हेल्पिंग वर्ब की बात करें, सो एज अ हेल्पिंग वर्ब वी विल हैव टू यूज was. ओके, was का इस्तेमाल किसके साथ किया जाता है? was का इस्तेमाल he, she, it और I के साथ यहाँ पर यूज किया जाएगा, और किसी भी सिंगुलर नाउन के साथ यहाँ पर हम इसका इस्तेमाल करते हैं. आफ्टर दैट वी विल यूज were, and when we have to use were, so we will use it with we, you, they or any plural noun. ठीक है, so this is the structure. And if we talk about the main verb, if we talk about the main verb, so we will have to use again here present participle. Present participle means first form plus ing. So this is the structure. Was का इस्तेमाल सिंगुलर्स के साथ किया जाएगा, he, she, it, I, या फिर किसी का नाम यहाँ पर आ सकता है. हम किसी का नाम भी यहाँ पर यूज कर सकते हैं. एंड वर इज यूज्ड विद वी, यू, दे और एनी प्लूरल नाउन. इफ वी टॉक अबाउट द मेन वर्ब, सो मेन वर्ब वुड बी प्रेजेंट पार्टिसिपल, जिसे हम फर्स्ट फॉर्म प्लस आईएनजी कहते हैं. नाउ लेट्स हैव अ लुक एट द सिंटेक्स. सिंटेक्स कैसे रहेंगे when we have to make sentence? So first of all we will use the subject. After that we will have to use was, were in the sentence, and then we use good at or bad at according to the sentence. After that verb first form plus ing, and then we will have to use object. So this is your structure. You will have to follow this structure when you have to make sentences. Now I can give you few examples so that you can understand it in a very easy way or better way, and you can teach your students in the same way. Like I was good at playing cricket. I was good at playing cricket. So what is the meaning of this sentence? I was good at playing cricket. मैं क्रिकेट खेलने में अच्छा था. Now next example is she was good at making food. She was good at making food. वह खाना बनाने में अच्छी थी. कोई भी मार करना, सही काम नहीं कर रहा आज. You were bad at dancing. You were bad at dancing. आप नाचने में बुरे थे. We can make another example. They were not bad at eating food. They were not bad at eating food means वे खाना खाने में बुरे नहीं थे. We are making negative sentence here. Okay, so there are few examples which I have made. Let me make another example. These are the positive examples and this is negative example. Whenever you will have to make negative sentence, so you will have to put after helping verb. Now he was not bad at flying kites. Okay, so he was not bad at flying kites. वह पतंग उड़ाने में बुरा नहीं था. So this is also our negative sentence. When you have to make a negative sentence, you will have to put negative between bad at and was. So let's make a few questions. We can make the questions like was Ram good at writing? Was Ram good at writing? Was Ram good at writing? क्या राम लिखने में अच्छा था? So you can make sentences like that. And if you want to make the negative sentence, so you can make negative sentence like this. Was Ram not good at writing? Was Ram not good at writing? क्या राम लिखने में बुरा नहीं था? So you can put not here before good at or bad at. Let's make another example like were they bad at playing the guitar? And question mark. Were they bad at playing the guitar? क्या वे गिटार बजाने में बुरे थे? ठीक है, तो इस तरीके से आप लोगों को सेंटेंसेस बनाने हैं. ठीक है, तो एक बार इसको फिर से दोबारा से हम देख लेते हैं, रिवाइज कर लेते हैं. आज का टॉपिक है अगेन गुड एट एंड बैड एट. लास्ट टाइम वी डिस्कस्ड इट in present time we will have to use is, and now today we are going to discuss it with the past time, and in past time we will have to use was and were. Was is used for singular nouns and were is used for plural nouns. So these are the few examples of past, and these are the examples of present. So you can differentiate between what is the difference between present time and past time. So as a helping verb, we will have to use was, and was is used with the singulars like he, she, it, any name or I, and were is used with the plural nouns we, you, they. Okay, and as a main verb, we will have to use the present participle. Present participle is known as the first form plus ing, and this is the syntax of this sentence. Subject, was, were, good at, bad at. It depends on your sentence, which type of sentence you are making. After that, we will have to use the present participle and object. Okay, so these are the few examples. I was good at playing cricket. She was good at making food. You were bad at dancing. They were not bad at eating food. He was not bad at flying kites, and so on. So I hope so. It would be a useful class for you, and you would have learned something valuable. So इसी तरीके से you can make your notes like that. Okay, according to your understanding you can make the notes, and you can deliver the message to your students. Okay, and whenever they are free, so you can listen these sentences from them. So it would be a good idea to improve their communication skills as well as yours. So thank you so much for watching this video, and have a nice day to all of you. Bye bye, take care.